Joey's River Cove. Specialities: chicken chili, stuffed mushrooms, prawn and vegetable papad rolls, butter garlic squid, masala fried mozzo, kingfish, vegetable caldina. Price range approximately 1500 INR for 2. Pepper's Gourmet Cuisine. Specialities: cheese and spinach, stuffed mushrooms, squid chili fry, sizzlers, steaks, grilled or steamed fish. Price range approximately 1200 INR for 2. Brittos. Specialities: vindaloo, crab curry, seafood platter. Price range approximately 1500 INR for 2. Viva Panjim. Specialities: prawn curry and rice. Price range approximately 800 INR for 2. Nostalgia. Specialities: rissois, appa de camarão, alibele, sans rival. Price range approximately 1200 INR for 2. Zebop. Specialities: crabs, prawns, lobsters, mussels, chicken steak, coconut dessert. Price range approximately 1500 INR for 2. Mum's Kitchen. Specialities: tamdi bhaji, that's red spinach, bimbli uda methi made with roasted coconut and spices, lobster rachado. Price range approximately 1800 INR for 2. Fatados. Specialities: kingfish rawa masala fry, beef steak, butter garlic calamari. Price range approximately 1000 INR for 2. Martin's Corner. Specialities: prawn rolled in papad, masal rava fry, prawn pulao, sausage pulao, Greek salad, mutton zakuti, paneer chili. Price range approximately 1200 INR for 2. Casa Sarita. Specialities: chorizo pao, that's local spiced pork sausages served in Goan bread, prawn curry, Goan fish curry. Price range approximately 2500 INR for 2. The Veranda. Specialities: pork vindaloo, prawn curry. Price range approximately 800 INR for 2. Souza Lobo. Specialities: crab sakuti, prawn curry rice, masala fish fry. Price range approximately 1200 INR for 2.
We will be back soon with something delicious for all you foodies. Till then, do like, share, comment on our video and subscribe to our channel Food Talkies for all tasty updates.